This is the last thing you want to see dangling in front of your house. A saw dangling from a helicopter. What can go wrong? The pilot has to control the helicopter and the saw at the same time. Controlling two wiggly things in the sky isn't easy, but yet we've made it a job. And we didn't even get to the risky part yet. The thing is, this special saw was made for a specific role. Honestly, it might be made by the most lazy, risk-loving engineer ever. This saw is made to cut tree branches, but not the normal trees. No, we want the high-risk ones. We want to dangle it close to high-voltage power lines. Don't worry, it's all under control, as long as the pilots see the power line. It's supposed to sway, just not in the wrong direction. Imagine how many workers were needed to cut those trees before. Fortunately, machines didn't take all of our jobs. We still need people to operate and maintain it. But it is essential to cut the branches so that it won't touch the power line. Touching a high-voltage power line could easily result in a massive fire. So by dangling that saw, we avoid a disaster. But it might be a different story for the animals. Imagine a deaf monkey sitting on those trees. All of a sudden, we would have two half monkeys. But we humans build only the most safe machinery.